Hey there, I'm sure glad you're here. In this video, we're going to determine what the slope is of the linear equation. It says a bakery shop bakes at a constant rate of 80 scones every 2 hours. The owner wants to determine how many scones are baked at various amounts of time. He wants to represent the production of scones as a linear equation, with x representing the amount of time in hours and y representing the amount of scones baked. So the hours are 2 and the scones would be 80. So when the hours are 4, the scones would be 160. Then I can take the second y and subtract the first y from it. And I can take the second x and subtract the first x from it. Here's my second y. Here's my first y. Here's my second x. Here's my first x. 160 minus 80 is 80. 4 minus 2 is 2. When I divide 2 into 80, I end up with 40. The correct answer is 40. But if you notice, right here, when it told you that 80 scones are baked every 2 hours, you could have figured out how many are baked in 1 hour by dividing 2 into 80, and you could see that 40 per hour, which would be the slope, because the slope is the rate of change over the course of time, and every hour 40 more scones would be being produced. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Like and subscribe, and I sure hope to see you here again.